Right, hello guys, welcome back to this channel. This is Akinbola Ezekiel speaking. In today's video, I have something very special for you. Yes, I'm going to be showing you how you can, so that a person can be an admin, or how can you accept an invitation if you have been sent an invitation to run ads for somebody. How do you accept the invitation? So without any further ado, let's go into the video. So this is my Facebook account. So the only thing you need to do is just simply come to your set of pages, and from the pages you're having right now, all you need to do, you can scroll down and select the particular page that you want to add someone to, and then you can add the invitation. So for instance, in this particular account, I have a request that have been sent, right? So I need to come here into invitation, and when I come to invitation, I would see, I believe you can see invitation here, invite. So I can click on invite down below here, and then I'll be able to see all the invitations that have been sent to my account. So I've seen the invitation sent. All right. Okay, this is the invitation sent. District 94 Toast Master. So I need to just click on accept to accept the invitation to manage this particular Facebook account. So if there are other page profile invites you want to accept, you can come here and do what? And accept those page invites. So if